Everybody. This is our first science lesson this week. We're going to talk about seasonal changes of plants and animals in Florida. I'm going to go over the vocabulary that you'll see on Canvas. Ecosystem. Ecosystems are all the living and non-living things that interact in an area. Here's an example, the Florida Everglades. Respond. Respond means to react. Living things respond to the seasonal changes of their ecosystem. Dormant. The definition of dormant means inactive periods. Florida's ecosystem is different. Our winters are not as cold, so plants and animals react differently than other regions. Examples, the bougainvillea and other plants do not have long dormant periods because they have longer growing seasons. Hibernate. You know that I love turtles. The definition, to become less active. Some Florida animals do become less active during the winter. For instance, the box turtle. They hibernate by digging deep burrows into the ground. They dig as deep as they can and then hide in the burrow for protection from the cold winter. Migrate. The definition of migrate is to move. Some animals will migrate from north to the south, such as Florida, and then they migrate north in the spring. Here's an example, the white pelican. Thousands migrate to Florida from the mountains and plains of the U.S. Northwest, and guess what? They fly nonstop. You're going to see a chart like this. It says, how do organisms change with seasons? You know, many plants and animals change with the seasons. Florida's a little different. Loss of leaves. This is a bald cypress. The trees have needle-like leaves that they lose when the season changes to winter. Also, we have a maple tree in Florida. The Florida maple is bright green and lush during the summer, and then the leaves change color from green to red and orange, sometimes yellow during the fall. And then what happens in the winter? Hibernation. In the summer, the American bullfrog can be found in the grasses of coastal dunes. And in the winter, the bullfrog digs a hole in the mud and hibernates underwater. Here are some examples of our Florida native animals. The American bullfrog, bald cypress, Florida maple. Plants and animals live all over the United States in different regions. Depending on where they're from affects what they do when the season changes. Read on in your science assignment to check these animals out. What are they?